Good morning everyone. Welcome back again in computer class. So this is the part 3rd of chapter number 6, that is the presentation visual effects. Now the next topic is adding action button. Action buttons are used to jump to a particular slide during a slideshow quickly and easily. Now the steps are: display the slide to which you want to add an action button. So this is my slide. Click on Insert tab. Then click on Shapes. Then click on Action button. Then the mouse pointer change to plus. Then click and drag the work area to add action button. This is my work area. Click the left button of your mouse and drag it. Now this is my action button. Now the action button appears and the action setting dialog box also appear. Then click on the radio button to select hyperlink to. Now here it's already selected. Then you can use the scroll bar to scroll down and select another file. You will select from here other file. Now you can choose your file like desktop. Now I want to add this video, then OK. Now you can see PowerPoint insert the path of the file into the hyperlink to drop down list. After that, click on OK. Now done. The selected file will open when you click the action button during the slideshow. Now here we have to see the slideshow from the current slide. Now this is my action button. If I click on it, now it will open this video. You can minimize, you can maximize it also in this way. And this is the hyperlink to other file. Now the next topic is importing data from other applications. Sometime we need to add the data to our presentation which does not belong to PowerPoint. For that we need to import data from the other applications such as MS Word, MS Excel and MS Access. Now the steps are: display the slide in which you want to import the data. So I want to import the data in this slide. After that, click on Insert tab. Then click on Object. Then click on Create from File. Then browse your file. Then click on OK. Now you can see the address of your file, and after that click on OK. Now here the file is imported. Now next, slideshow, current slide. Now you can see the Word document file will be imported into the presentation. Now the next topic is rehearse the slideshow. So we can set the timing for each slide that exactly tell how long it is displayed during the presentation. Now the steps are: click on slide sorter button to bring the slide in slide sorter view. So this is the slide sorter button. Click on it. Now in this view, after that click on slideshow. Then click on rehearse timing button. Now you can see the PowerPoint switch to slideshow mode. PowerPoint display the first slide and the rehearsal toolbar. Start a timer. Wait for the time while the slide is being displayed. If you need to pause the rehearsal, you can click on pause button, this one. And if you need to restart the timing, you can click on pause button again. After that, click on next button for next slide. Next for again next slide. So you can repeat the next step, this one, to click on next. After that, a dialog box appears in which you have to click on yes. Now here PowerPoint save the timings, and you can see the timings you set below each slide, like 34 seconds, 3 seconds, 7 seconds, 12 seconds, 1 second and 1 second. So during presentation each slide will appear according to the timing you have applied. So this is all about the chapter number 6, that is a presentation visual effect. So students, you please read this chapter again and try to understand the terms, and I will post and send the question, answer and book exercise of this chapter via WhatsApp group. And side by side you please make your notebooks and start to learn the chapter content also. Thank you.